The darkest sides of female nature. 1. Girls fall in love with the one who avoids them the most. 2. Every girl acts like a child she's with, the one she loves most. 3. When a girl cooks for you, she cares for you. 4. Be careful with the girl whose dad was the first person who broke her heart. 5. If a girl likes you, she will always check your social media profiles. 6. Every girl knows what a guy is trying to say. She just act innocent. 7. If a girl truly loves a guy, she will always tell him when another boy tries to flirt with her. 8. Girl will sleep with you if they like your identity. 9. Beautiful girls are attracted to mean guys.